Fix "Something went wrong." Check that Google Play is enabled on your device and that you're using an up-to-date version. Error. Let's get started. First, this issue usually happens when Google Play Services is disabled, outdated, or not working properly. Now let's fix it step by step. Method 1. Enable Google Play Services. Go to your phone settings. Tap on Apps, then find Google Play Services. If you see an Enable button, tap on it. Method 2. Update Google Play Services. Open the Google Play Store, search for Google Play Services. If there's an update available, tap Update. Method 3. Clear cache and data. Go back to Settings, then Apps, then Google Play Services. Tap on Storage and Cache. Now tap Clear Cache and then Clear Data. Do the same for Google Play Store as well. Method 4. Update Google Play Store. Open Play Store, tap your profile, then go to Settings, then About. Tap on Update Play Store. Make sure you're using the latest version. Method 5. Check date and time. Go to Settings, Date and Time. Enable Automatic Date and Time. Incorrect time settings can cause this error. Method 6. Restart your device. After applying all steps, restart your phone. This helps apply all changes properly. And that's it. By following these steps, you can fix the Google Play error quickly and easily. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Rock it!